Hi there, welcome back to English Digital. Today we're going to look at our AI image and a video generation app called Leonardo AI. Okay, so it's a very innovative, probably the best image AI-based image generator app in the market. Through prompts, basically, you can create any type of image or even a moving video type of image with this apps. Awesome app. So you see there are a lot of tools. There have AI marketing tools, AI graphic design, print on demand, AI photography, AI interior design, AI architecture. So just if you know how to prompt, this tool is of great use, and definitely you can create stunning work and compete with any person who has who's using advanced tools like photoshops and illustrator and all of that stuff. So you can see all these types of images being created just with prompts. Okay, so we will log into this platform, and the link to this AI Leonardo AI tool is in the description, so you can click and join this um, platform. It's free to use, but you can play with it for free. But if you're going to use any of the AI generated image and content on your social platforms or in a website or anywhere, you need to have a paid plan, which is not that expensive actually. They're having offers here as well. You can check the pricing. Currently I think it's at somewhere around $12 or something, but it's fully worth a deal. And let us quickly run through this app. Okay, so I've already had signed up for this application. I have a paid platform, so let me just quickly run through. So this is once you sign up for the platform, and you'll be presented with a dashboard like this with a lot of features, and it looks complicated, but it's not very complicated. You can just that's why I'm making this video to for you to understand as to how to easily you can use this app. So today we're going to create YouTube thumbnails with prompts by using the Leonardo AI, and you'll see how easy it is and how effective it is. Okay, so firstly, there are a lot of modes here, preset modes. For this case, for YouTube thumbnails, I'm going to just use this Leonardo Phoenix concept, but each one of these type of modes. So for example, take the graphic design, you can actually create a nice 2D type graphics, 3D type graphics with just prompts and concept art, and even this anime type of cartoons you can create with just prompts. Then if you want lifelike images and stock photography, that also you can create. That also will go through. So I won't be going through all of these concepts, so you can play around with them and see for yourself after you sign up for this Leonardo AI tool. So I'll be just going through a couple of interesting ones so you understand the power of this tool. Okay, so for the YouTube thumbnails, we're going to use the Leonardo Phoenix. So we have selected that. This is some stuff which I created, for some other work. And all these are created by AI. You can see all these images just with prompts. It makes mistakes as well, so you have to keep refining the prompt. You can edit the same prompt and get the best image. So that's how this AI image generation stuff works. So here, and there are a lot of, if you want to, keep it automatic, the prompt enhance, preset styles. If you're an expert user, you can choose one of, you can select this stuff and go ahead with it. But I would say just keep it at dynamic. So the AI tool itself uses the best concept and creates for you. And you can generation mode also. You can use this. For example, take fast generation. The quality of the AI generation, it's good, but if you choose the quality, it's much more of quality. The reasons why, and there's something called ultra as well, and why they differentiated the three modes is that you had this coins here, right? So in my plan, I have for a month 8,000 tokens, right? So you be deduct tokens will be deducted. So each time I choose let's say a concept here, and if I type something, you'll see the number of tokens being reduced from this balance amount. Okay, so there's a rollover as well. I think monthly you get 8,500 tokens for the monthly my plan I have, and if I don't use all 8,500, let's say if I use 6,000, I have about 2,500 left. Those will be carried over to the next month. So that's how it has come to 24. Okay, so that's how I hit 24,000 coins here. So let me just quickly create an image and show you how to use this platform. So I'm going to choose the fast mode, and here they're different. For example, This is for YouTube thumbnails, 69, this shape here. I mean, this rectangular one. This one mostly can be used for TikTok or for Instagram. This resolution. This resolution goes for Instagram stories, even for YouTube Shorts and all of that. And there are more options as well. So you can see they're given the resolutions for what platforms you can use this for. So a lot of options. So here, for this case, we're going to use the YouTube ones. We're going to create the YouTube thumbnail. The number of images, I mean, if you choose, so you can see the coins going down. If you choose one image generation, you just use 10 coins. And if you choose 4, you choose 16. So normally I choose about 6, about 24. So I have 6 options it creates, basically 6 artworks from which different types, which I can choose the best. If I choose 8, the maximum I get 8. So, but if I choose 8, I spend more coins. So that's the situation there. And other options, also advanced options, you can play around with. But just leave it as it is. So let us get into the prompting. Okay, so what I'm going to type here is create a YouTube thumbnail for. Oops, I think I hit the create enter button. So okay. So I think it's already creating. So it doesn't matter. Let us just put the proper prompt in. Okay, let us just wait for this to load. Okay, so I just put this, create a YouTube thumbnail, and I just created some shabby thumbnails because I didn't get the prompt correctly. So create a YouTube thumbnail for, and you just put these 2 colons. A cat sitting on a table singing a song, right? So something creative. Okay, so there are options here where you can improve this prompt and you can edit this prompt, or you can just describe. But here we're going to just go with the prompt and see what the AI has to offer in terms of image creation. So I hit generate here once I map for this prompt, and let's see what Leonardo AI comes up with. So it normally takes about 15 to 30 seconds for image to be generated. So let's wait and see. Wow. So you see, so images have been generated. So a cat sitting on a table singing a song. So you can see this. You can see this YouTube video. You can see this as well. So there are spelling mistakes here. Those you can edit and further correct. And cat singing a song, YouTube video. So it's singing a song on probably a podcast mic. So this is option it gives. So if you want to enhance this further, you just click this option, and either you can improve prompt. Okay, so I'm going to improve the prompt. One option. Okay, so so the AI itself, based on the prompt we are given, it gives a full descriptive prompt. So this is the type of prompt actually the Leonardo AI expects. But if you can use ChatGPT and generate a prompt like this, and you can use the in-house tool as well. So let us generate from this improved prompt, and let's see what Leonardo AI has to offer. So it's generating. So let us wait and see. Like I told you, it takes about 15 to 20 seconds. Yeah, it's done. So earlier there were errors with text. So the original prompt was cat sitting on a table and singing. So you can see it's cat sitting on a table and it's singing. So, okay. So if you want to further enhance it, you can click this. You can edit with AI, and you can type something like, include a mic as well for the cat to sing. Okay, so you can use that. Let us see. Let's put it done. Okay, that is it has already included this a mic option here. Let hit generate. Let us wait and see how it generates based on this prompt. Okay, give it a few more seconds. So on the fast mode, it actually creates 10 to 15 seconds, but use the quality mode, it takes long. So this is a better prompt. You can see I included a mic. So a mic has come here and a cat singing on top of the mic. So this looks nice. Okay, so I can just click this, and see, it's nice. Your cat singing in front of a mic. And you can either download this and upload as a thumbnail. If you want some text to appear here, then you just go back again. You can improve the prompt further. Okay, edit with AI, and then you can say include the text for the text, include the text caption. So I can include that here. Watch this cat sing. Okay, so it's going to be the text caption on top of the image. Oops, like that. See what. So if you see that caption has been included in the generations. I want to hit generate again. So it's not, I mean, you don't get the perfect image the first time. You play around with it, but it's very interesting. You can create amazing, stuff out of this tool, which is actually original stuff. It's not stock media stuff. You saw this. I put the prompt, watch the cat sing. So it has given me different options. If you can choose the best, you can further prompt this. This looks nice, the text. You can even give the command of the text. You want it Roman Times, Montserrat, Arial. If you give the font type as well, it will, generate. So this looks good. Cat singing in front of a mic. Okay. And watch this cat sing, but there are two mics here. So you can, if you want to, you can actually prompt here and you can make edits. Upscale, original. There are options here as well where you can make this image look better, but here there's no prompt to edit. So if I want to see, okay, this looks good, watch the cat sing, there's only one mic. This looks good here, there's one mic, watch this cat sing, right? So you can see it is created, but this cat seems to have extra leg here. So that is okay, but this looks better. Okay, that is sick text. Okay, watch this cat sing. This looks very clean and neat. No additional legs, no additional mics, and a texture. So this looks good actually. So what we can do is I can download this. Oh, so I removed the background, I guess. Okay, let me just click this and download this. So once I download it, it's downloaded and it'll appear in the downloads. You can see here, I have it in the downloads. So then I can just upload this image onto my YouTube thumbnail. So there you go. So that's how you use this tool. It's very, very easy to use, and it's an amazing, something you play with. You have to become perfect. You have to perfect your creation with multiple prompts, and use the AI editing option here, and you can create amazing artwork. Okay, so there are a lot of options which you can, create even stock photos to anime-related graphic design. So probably I'll create another video to use each of these concepts and see what it can generate and create. Okay, for various social media platforms, or for your blogs, and or that even the image sizes you can increase from medium, large. So there is no limitation actually in using this AI image generator. Just your own creativity is your own limitation, I would say. So with that in note, and don't forget the link is in the description. Please do click the link and do join, do sign up for this app and play around with it. Because this is going to be the future where a lot of AI tools are going to come like this, which are going to make life easier for any person, even a lay person with minimum technological hands-on experience. They can use just prompting to create some outstanding outputs in terms of images. Okay, so with that note, if you like this video, kindly do subscribe to my video on this channel. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and please do share it with your friends. For any comments, any doubts, leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to reply. So until next time, it's adios and bye-bye from English Digital.